Okay, Algebra 2, we're looking at convergent and divergent series today. If a sequence has a limit, it is said to converge. If it does not have a limit, it is said to diverge. So arithmetic series have no limit, therefore they diverge. Geometric series, on the other hand, it depends. If the common ratio is less than 1, there is a limit and it's convergent. If the common ratio is greater than 1, then there is no limit, which means it is divergent. So you got to first of all figure out, is your series arithmetic, geometric, or neither? And a little hint, if it has fractions, okay, if you're looking at fractions and you can't see the pattern, what you need to do is find a common denominator. And once you have the common denominator, you should be able to see what your pattern was. So like on this one, we could make it where they are all over 6. So you could say 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4 over 6 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Okay, so what's happening every time? Are you adding the same number? No, we're getting smaller. Are you subtracting the same number? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 would be 0. So it's not arithmetic. This is going to be geometric. Okay? So then how do you find your R? Remember, to find your geometric common ratio, you take one of the numbers, like 2 divided by 6, and you divide it by the one in front of it, which was 4 divided by 6. So this becomes 2 over 6 times 6 over 4. Your 6's cancel. Your 2 and your 4 cancel. Okay, you could also have done this in the calculator. That's fine. But the way I'm seeing it, it is geometric, and my common ratio is 1/2. Since your common ratio of 1/2 is less than 1, it is going to be convergent. And that's all you have to do. So looking at number 2, we're going from -4 to -2 to 0 to 2. If you look, it looks to me like it's going up 2 every time. So that makes this arithmetic, and all arithmetics are divergent. Going to number 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is not 9. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3, so it is geometric, and your R is equal to 3. If you go back up and look at the top, if R is greater than 1, there is no limit, therefore it is. Looking at number 4, we've got fractions. Before we go to a common denominator, look and see if there's a pattern. What do you do with 4 to get 12? Well, you would multiply it times 3, right? What do you do with 12 to get 36? Well, you would multiply it by 3. So it looks to me like we are multiplying by 1 over 3, and so it is geometric, and your R is 1/3. So geometric, and if your R is less than 1, it has a limit, and it is convergent. Going to number 5, we go from -8 to -2 to 4. -8 to -2, we're adding 6. -2 to 4, we're also adding 6. So this is arithmetic. Your common difference is 6. All arithmetic patterns are divergent. Number 6, we go 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is not 25. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So it is geometric because we're multiplying, and my ratio is 5. 5 is bigger than 1, therefore there is no limit, and this is divergent. And that is all there is to this lesson. Hopefully it's a little bit better than what the infinite sequences and series was before. So you're ready to start your assignment.